fast.
Put her back again.
You can tell she loves you on her front. Oh, you could video her growl. Okay.
Yay! Roll over, roll over. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, roll back the other side.
The other side? Roll over, roll over. I think you're too comfortable on your back.
It's like she has her back weighted. Pooks, do it one more time. This is Kayla. Hey, Kayla. Hi.
Say hi to the video camera.
Oh, and she's okay.
It sounded like
That was
you hurt, Kayla.
that was a big thump.
Oh my god,
But
it sounded like you really hurt.
I think she's okay.
Should I do it again?
One more time, Kayla.
Don't hit your head this time, okay? I'm nervous.
Maybe we should put it on a padded floor.
No, okay. She just wins her head.
Woo!